for today's video, we're going to Sky Rock in Lama Island. So, from Central Pier, Pier number 4, Sukwawan guys. So, dito mo mag-start and then, kanyang second second trip siya is 8:35 p.m. and then the fare is 27.50 each way. So guys, let's go! Samahan niyo ako and kita-kits dito sa Lama Island. So from pier number 4 to Sukwawan, Lama Island, and the fare is 27.50 Monday to Saturday. It's different guys ang fare if Sunday and public holidays. Guys, misakay namin sa ferry. Ngarak na. Sa to, Sukwawan. Unsa kay itong ngarak? So guys, dapat namin. This is Lama Island. So guys, ngarak. Oh, this is the Lama Island, guys. Oh, mga 45 minutes ay mga 40 minutes among biyahe here. This is the Lama Island. Oh. So, pag naog niyo guys, dirira mo, subay lang. Here, welcome to Lama Island. So, diri guys, right here. Right. Night toilet. Sukwawan public toilet. So diri here. Sukwawan. Oh, napa mi diri guys. So diri. After that, far right. Dito. Guys, from Central Pier 4, then dito dan bababa Sukwawan Pier number 2. Then here, right. So, you pass the public toilet of Sukwawan, then here. So you just walk ahead. So just walk. So many restaurants you pass guys, and then just continue walking. Guys, you can see so many restaurants. It's like the restaurant is in the way for line like that. And so many shop pass on like that. So nice the ambience guys. Look, you can see and the people is riding bicycle like that. So nice. Look, so you can see so many street foods. My god. And the restaurant like that. See. So guys, you can see this, the tree. This is the end of the Sukwawan first street. Then this. So you can see this. And yun. So look guys, as you can see already the path uphill. Pavilion. Oh. So after that guys, here have two way, here the left. So go up like that. So as you can see guys, klaro ra siya kaayo tungod kay klaro kayo ang path niya pa taas. Okay. So guys, after this path, you just go straight. Still go straight up here. As you can see, you see a cemetery here. So let's get quiet. As you can see, another stairs. So just go up in like that. See? O diba guys? Grabe lang hiking trail guys. Igastuhan dyan o siminto. So guys, we're here in the intersection. So you can see the masyag Benz pavilion, I don't know. And then this one is to another village, Tung'o village. And then kami dirini to look Lama Island. So here we go uphill. Guys, we going to Shantytong dito to get to go to Skyrock. So here guys, doon na ta. So guys, after adto nga pa katong dito sa intersection, you can see this pavilion guys. Here you can see, yeah. Then you take this. Actually you can see the ribbon guys, see, so you don't get lost. So after guys, like that, so right here, right here. Oh, here guys, you can see, so right na yung ribbon, so you don't get lost because na siya yung mga ribbon here. So here guys, so as you can see na yung mga ribbon guys. So you see a ribbon, just go in the path like that. So ano guys, still right kasi na have another path in the left side, but you still go right. So this one go down. So guys, continue. Oh, na lang na. See, you can still see the ribbon. Yes, just continue walking. Go down, aray ko. So padayon lang guys. This continue walking here. Just continue walking guys, like that. So kalibunan. Hi guys, mulabay ko sa inyong tumor.
Abot namin sa confusing part.
As you can see, this is the confusing way. So, paano ito? Ito yung sa
Right.
and left. So, the right side is the
Penis Rock.
And then, the left side is
Skyrock. So we're going to...
We're going to Skyrock.
Okay, let's
So,
go.
come on. Uy. So here, you can see a ribbon.
Don't worry.
Don't worry guys, hindi mo mawala. It's amazing you guys. See? The view is wonderful. The view is na 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 la la la, praise the Lord. As in guys, super very nice jud ang view. So it's a confusing again. So it's in the right side na I left, but the ribbon is in the right side. So we go to the right side. As you can see, na ay mga ribbon. So let's go here. There's a ribbon guys, so you can follow the ribbon. So guys, it's confusing again. So sa left ta guys, left, because you can follow the ribbon. See, you can see the ribbon. It's like your way. It's like going to the beach. It's just look like that, but no, it's not. Then you can see this kahoy, this tree nga murag chair. Mana siya. Nga, di deden. Tagasa. Here guys, you still can see the ribbon. Here, there's a lot of ribbon here. If you get lost, then it's the wrong of the ribbon. It's a ribbon wrong drawing. So guys, just keep going like that. Go down the hill, and then you can see the beach. It's like the beach, or it's the seashore. Then parang muana lang mo sa side. Here you can see the beach. Then here guys, here murag tricky. Oh, it's a tricky way. So guys, you can see the beach. Oh my gosh, so nice. You can see guys, you still can see the ribbon. There's a lot of ribbon guys, so you don't get lost really. And continue walking down the hill. Then you can see this guys, the Hawan. What's this? Okay. Then yeah. Yes, then you can see the beach guys. There's a lot of people out there. Nakasabay na mo na siya ganina. And then there's a man playing with a dog. As you can see. You can see the CCTV. So you here still go down. Go down. See, kita ka sa CCTV guys. Yes. Naka-solar panel lang CCTV. Then padayon lang sa lakaw. As you can see, after the CCTV, then you can see it's two ways. So you go to the right side. This is the Skyrock way. Here, this one. Here, something here. So guys, you can see so many rock. And then, yeah, you pass here and so many rock formation or rocky road, rocky path. So you can see the tunukon nga Romblon. And then you go uphill again in the side area. Yes. Wala oh my god. See? See? This kind. Oh. Oo. Naglito yung tinuod. So guys, there's kanang confusing way. So people, oo, kasi nagkamali kami dyan kanina sa left side kami pumasok. As in maling-mali talaga. So we try here and the right side, and good luck. See you later kung matuntunan ba namin yung Skyrock. So go to the right side. Guys, pag abot sa unahan from there, so we go to the right side. Then here still have another confusing way. So you go to the left side na with a big rock. Huh? Carry mo yan. Ang ginoo ko. Lisod kayo? So guys, nanami sa bird. Mauna siya guys. Ani, dool na ni. See? Oh my god guys, kanina nagkawala-wala. May kabalo mo. Yay! My god guys, finally we're here. My god. We lost for... Imagine we go here at starting at 9:30 in the starting point, and then what time is it now? It's 1:47 p.m. guys, because we lost. My god, nawala, but it's all right. We're here. This is the rock that we're looking for. Yes guys, my God.
Opa. Tas tuyok. Tuyok atubang diri. Kaya mag-picture pa ta gani.
So guys, we're here. So look. So nice.
Diri
Oh.
ata.
Here. This one.
Ay sayang hindi ko tamo ako ang diha.
Guys, that's all for today's video. See you next time. Nana Miss Appear. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh, di ay no.